61 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, and this process will continue. 5 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times 10, which is greater, so 1 time. 1 time 5, 5 subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 11 how many times? 3 times 15, which is greater, so 2 times. 2 times 5, 10, subtract 1, so our answer is 12, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 5 goes into 10 how many times? 5 goes into 10 2 times, so 2 times 5, 10, subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 12.2.